Hey guys, hi everyone, good morning. So there are there is a buzz around Abhay Singh, who is the IIT Baba that everyone knows, right? But I think that he has chosen the lifestyle of nirvana and towards spirituality, towards light, and towards wisdom, owing to his past childhood struggles when he saw his constant fights and turmoil between his parents that disturbed somehow his upbringing. So he chose to find the true meaning of spirituality, and his drive was that. So he left his 36 lakh high paying job, IT job, to focus on the spirituality and the realm of spirituality. That is not for any personal gains, and he's quite an enlightened individual. So thus he earns my respect, and I am sure he earns everyone, each and every one of your respect as well. And thus he stands as the top figure and momentum for the Kumbh Mela this year 2025. But the thing apart from this is to point out that that lady who chose this path, I think she's clearly here for publicity. She's not a real sage. I have even posted on my Facebook that she's a Dhongi Dasi. She's nothing more than that journalist turned sannyasi. That girl, she's doing it just for cheap publicity. She is not the real she's not the real follower of spirituality, neither she wants to come into this realm of spirituality. She doesn't have any knowledge or understanding of spirituality. She is doing this just for 5 minutes of fame. So I do not want this girl to be encouraged anymore. You can encourage Abhay Singh because he is a true follower and true admirer who is going towards spirituality, but this girl is doing it just for personal gains. So understand and try to distinguish between what is real and who is fake. That's a news for you guys for this 2024 25 that you need to make a note of. All right.